If you have a phone in the United States and you're not using these apps, you're losing money, time, and opportunities every single day, and you don't even realize it. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering there's a faster, cheaper, smarter way to live, to pay bills, order food, make money, and even protect yourself, and you've just never used it. Sounds dramatic? Then stay with me until the end, because the #1 app on this list can completely change how you use your phone. Now, let me ask you something. How many apps do you actually use, and how many are just sitting there? Today, I'm going to show you the apps that almost every smart American already has, and you might still be missing. And here's the scary part. Some of these apps are saving people thousands of dollars a year, while you keep paying more for everything. Let's start. 10. Uber, the app that replaced owning a car for many people. Still think you need a car for everything? Then you might be living in the past. Uber isn't just transportation. In the US, it's a real alternative to owning a car. In cities like New York or San Francisco, many people don't even bother having one anymore. Think about it. Insurance, gas, maintenance, parking. Do you know how much that adds up to every year? Now, compare that to opening your phone, tapping once, and having a ride in minutes. Here's a tip most people don't use. Ride outside peak hours and prices drop dramatically. And yes, you can also use Uber Eats inside the same app, but that's nothing compared to the next app, which can literally put money back in your pocket. 9. Rakuten, the app that pays you to shop. What if I told you you could get paid for buying things you were already going to buy? Rakuten does exactly that. You shop at stores like Walmart, Macy's, Best Buy, and you get a percentage of your money back. That's it. Now think. How many purchases have you made and gotten absolutely nothing back? Meanwhile, thousands of Americans are stacking cash back without doing anything extra. Pro tip: combine Rakuten with coupons and cashback credit cards. That's where things get powerful. And speaking of saving money, the next app can cut one of your biggest expenses. 8. Gas Buddy, the app that slashes your gas costs. If you drive in the US, you felt gas prices hit your wallet. Gas Buddy shows you the cheapest gas near you. But here's what most people don't know. It also offers a card that can give you discounts directly at the pump. Now think. Saving even 10, 20, 30 cents per gallon over a year. That's hundreds of dollars. So the question is, would you rather overpay or spend 10 seconds to save money? But gas isn't the only silent money drain. 7. Mint, the app that shows where your money is going. Do you know exactly how much you spent last month? If you hesitated, that's the problem. Mint connects your accounts and shows everything. Spending, subscriptions, debt. Here's the shocking part. Many people discover they're losing hundreds of dollars on things they forgot about. Unused subscriptions, impulse purchases, small leaks that turn into big losses. So let me ask you, do you control your money, or does it control you? But tracking is just the beginning. The next app can actually help you earn more. 6. DoorDash, the app that turns free time into income. Did you know you can make money with just your car? Or even a bike? DoorDash isn't just for ordering food. It's one of the biggest side hustle platforms in the US. People are making hundreds, even thousands per month delivering in their spare time. Now imagine this. The time you spend scrolling could be making you money. And here's another tip. Peak hours, like dinner time and weekends, pay more. But what if you want to save money instead of spending or earning? 5. Honey, the app that finds discounts for you. Have you ever bought something online and then realized there was a coupon you missed? That hurts. Honey automatically tests coupon codes before checkout. No effort, no searching, no wasted money. Now think. How many times have you overpaid just because you didn't know? But saving money is only one piece of the puzzle. 4. Google Maps, the app that saves you time every day. It seems basic, but most people use it wrong. Google Maps is more than GPS. It shows real-time traffic, busy hours, reviews, alternative routes. Here's the hidden trick. You can check when places are at busiest restaurants, stores, gyms. That means fewer lines, less waiting, more efficiency. So let me ask you, how much is your time worth? But what if you could use your time to gain a real advantage? 3. Duolingo, the app that opens doors you didn't even know existed. Speaking another language in the US isn't just helpful, it's powerful. Duolingo turns learning into something almost addictive. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can put you ahead of most people. Now let me challenge you. How many opportunities have you missed because of language? Jobs, travel, networking. And the craziest part? The solution is already in your pocket. But the next app impacts something even more important. 2. Headspace, the app that protects your mind in a chaotic world. Do you take care of your mind? Or just react to stress? Headspace teaches meditation, focus, emotional control. Here's the harsh truth. Productivity without mental control leads to burnout. Many high performers in the US use apps like this daily. Now think, what if 10 minutes a day changed your clarity, your decisions, your life? But nothing, absolutely nothing, compares to number one. PayPal, the app that moves money in seconds. If you live in the US and don't use this properly, you're behind. PayPal is much more than sending money. It's security, convenience, global payments, buyer protection, freelancers, sellers, creators. Everyone uses it. Now think, how many opportunities are you missing without fast, reliable payments? Because in the digital world, whoever moves money faster wins more opportunities. Now let me ask you one last time. How many of these apps are you actually using? And more importantly, how many will you start using today? Because the difference between people who move forward and those who stay stuck isn't luck. It's applied information. If this video opened your eyes, stay with me. Because the next one will reveal something most people only realize when it's too late. And by then, they've already lost far more than money.